Kaiser Fung, Numbers Rule Your World, The Hidden Influence of Probabilities and Statistics on Everything You Do. In The Numbers Rule Your World, Kaiser Fung unravels the hidden influences of probabilities and statistics on our daily lives. From the waiting times at amusement parks to traffic congestion, the book demonstrates the power of statistical reasoning in real-life situations, such as disease outbreaks, creditworthiness determinations, fair exam design, and insurance fairness. Fung also explores the limitations, challenges and trade-offs in various testing methods used for drug testing athletes and lie detector tests.
The science behind waiting in line. Waiting in line may seem like a straightforward issue of supply and demand, but statisticians have discovered that the pattern of when guests arrive, rather than the number of them, causes long queues. This explains why Disney World's attempt to use demand estimates to plan for capacity often proves inadequate. The introduction of FastPass, which reduces fluctuations in arrival times, has helped to improve customer satisfaction. What's more, the same fluctuation issue also causes highway congestion, which can be regulated using a technique called ramp metering. Applications of statistical reasoning. Statistical reasoning is a crucial tool in identifying causal relationships within real-life situations. The book delves into how epidemiologists use statistics to identify the outbreak of diseases, and how credit modelers use it to determine a person's creditworthiness. In the case of E. coli outbreak, epidemiologists use statistics to pinpoint the source of contamination by identifying patterns in the patient's dietary habits. Similarly, to determine a person's credit modelers identify correlations in their past loan decisions and patterns of borrowers in a specific occupation, vastly simplifying the lending process. With many real-world applications, statistics plays an essential role in analyzing data and identifying causality. The importance of group differences in statistics. Understanding group differences is paramount to designing fair exams and insurance systems. Statisticians can use these differences to eliminate bias in standardized tests or adjust premiums to reflect relative risk. By taking into account the performance and characteristics of diverse populations, statisticians ensure that statistical reasoning is fair and equitable. The limitations of truth testing. In modern times, the use of methods such as drug testing and polygraphs have become popular to uncover facts and hidden truths. However, these modes of testing are not entirely error-proof, leading to two types of errors: false positives and false negatives. False positives can result in falsely accusing an innocent person, while false negatives allow the guilty to walk free. This trade-off poses a challenge to those who administer these tests, as avoiding one kind of error results in more of the other. For instance, testers that minimize false positives in drug tests end up letting more cheaters go free. Similarly, in polygraph tests, avoiding false negatives leads to wrongful accusations of innocent people. Therefore, these tests have limitations and aren't reliable enough to make significant decisions based solely on their results. The power of statistical thinking. Statistical thinking allows us to question patterns that may appear obvious or unusual. This kind of thinking plays a significant role in different fields such as aviation and lottery scams. After the Egyptair crash, some people stopped flying in the area, thinking that it indicated an accident-prone pattern. Still, statisticians looked at the bigger picture and saw millions of planes safely flying in that airspace during that same period, prompting them to question what seemed like an apparent pattern. Statisticians approximate that the odds of dying in a plane crash are 1 in 10 million, the same chances of winning the lottery. Speaking of the lottery, statistical analysis of winners exposed that store owners who sold winning tickets cashed in 200 out of 5,713 major prize winnings. Statisticians suspected fraud, which turned out to be correct. The winning store owners cheated by claiming they held the winning tickets of others who had just earned a free play. As you can see, statistical thinking can reveal the truth behind events that may seem obvious or unlikely at first glance.
Kaiser Fung's Numbers Rule Your World provides a compelling exploration of how statistical reasoning applies to our everyday lives, helping us make sense of seemingly random events and patterns. Fung reveals the importance of understanding group differences and the potential of statistics in debunking misconceptions surrounding airplane crashes and lottery frauds. The key takeaway from this insightful book is that statistics play an enormous role in our decision-making, proving essential in designing fair systems and making informed choices in an increasingly data-driven world.